Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and for the returning subscribers guys, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. On my previous video guys, I unveiled companies you can work for online or offline, marketing their products, health products that is, and you get some cash. So guys, I promised on that video that I'll show you guys how to create a Facebook page and how to boost your posts on the Facebook page. So guys, without wasting time guys, let's get into this video. Toodles! So welcome back guys. I'll show you how to create the Facebook page and how to post on the page and to boost the post. So first you'll go to your Facebook. I use Lite, so I'll click on Facebook. You'll now after opening Facebook guys, you'll click on these three lines up here. Click on them. You'll then look for a place written pages. Pages is the fourth on your left. This one here. Click. You'll then click create page. Click create page. Then click get started. What do you want to name this page? You'll name the page according to the business you are doing or according to the reason why you're creating the page. So I'm creating the page for my YouTube channel, so it's Anne with Bella. I'll click next. Choose the category. You'll click on add category, the plus sign after add category to choose to open more. So I'll click personal blog and click next. Do you have a website? As per now, I'll not put a website, but I can put the subscriber link, but for now I'll just skip. Click skip. So guys, if you want to add a photo, click this plus sign and upload a photo or take a photo, but as per now we'll just click skip. And we have the page already. So guys, we'll now click edit public details. Click edit public details. You can now add here. If you didn't add at that time, you can now add here anytime you feel like changing anything, you'll come here and change. So on this part, I want to add the introduction to my page. I can write something like, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll give reasons why to subscribe. Give reasons, and anything I want to say. Then after adding, I'll click save. Then after changing the bio, I'll now edit my about information. Here is where you'll put your phone number that your clients will contact you with. You can add there the phone number, maybe. You'll add the phone number. After adding, click save. Then after clicking save, you can add the email you want to be contacted with. After adding the email, I think that's all. That's all about the creation of the page, guys. If you visit the page and you want to switch back to your normal profile, you just click switch profile, and I can go back to my normal one. So guys, about posting on the page and boosting the page, I'll use my main page to take you through. So I'll just switch to my normal page. So guys, before I take you through how to boost the post guys, I only have one request. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and I'll be so grateful, since I not only bring online platforms where you can make money, I also unveil to you offline stuff I've done, and they have given me some cash. So please subscribe to this channel, because this is the best place to be. If you have not subscribed, you are missing a lot. Please subscribe so that we can grow together. Subscribe. Thank you for those who have subscribed, and let's continue with the video. To access your pages, guys, you'll always click on these three dots and click page and then switch. So guys, I'll now click on my profile, the profile of my page. So how to post, you'll just click here and choose something. For example, add something about this. You can say please subscribe to my channel and click post. Uploading your post. It's posted. It's now posted. So what to do, rather than promoting this, let me show you using this one here, which is at least detailed. So I'll click promote. Guys, after clicking on boost post, you'll scroll down, then click maybe goal. What results would you like from these ads? So I clicked that, I accepted. If you don't accept, you won't get messages on WhatsApp. So I accepted that and edited the number I want the messages to go to. Then when you go down to add a button, you'll click it. This button is required for ads to get more WhatsApp messages. Then when you scroll down, audience, click audience. Don't click the icon, the eye icon, don't click it. So you'll choose the range you want. You'll now choose the age range. You'll click here. You can click edit. Guys, when you click audience, you can also change the location where you want the post to be advertised mostly. So me, I chose Kenya. If you don't want Kenya, you can click edit location, then search here the location you want. For example, I want Uganda. You can choose any place in Uganda. Let me choose Kampala. It's already selected and click done. Maybe. Guys, after changing the location, you can also change the age, gender. You just change. If you don't want men to see it, you'll click women only. But please choose all gender, because if you are dealing with infertility, you can get a man who's looking for the medication for the wife. So the man will just view and text you. Guys, after editing everything, click save. After that, scroll down to budget. You can click change budget. If you see the money is too much, you can click change budget. The budget, for example, I chose 655 shillings, and maybe you want more, you can write 30,000. If you want for a longer time and a larger audience, you click OK. The estimated reach out is 66k people to 191k per day. Yeah, you can also change the duration. You can choose 7 days or the whole month. It depends, and click edit, then click done. If you're done with that, payment. Now we go to payment. If you had already added funds here, I only have 91 shillings. This money is not refundable. This money has stayed there, let's say for 2 years. I've not been using this page, so the money can't go anywhere till you click boost the post. But it can't be boosted if the budget, you see, I chose 30k and I have 91 shillings. So this 91 shillings can't help, and it can't go anywhere. It will just be there constantly till you add funds to 30k and click boost post now. The next part is payment method. You'll click add funds. If it's your first time, guys, you'll not see any money here. This money, I placed it there by myself. So guys, if the budget is too high, you can also still change it. but as for now, let's just stay with 30 for the tutorial purpose. After that, you'll go to payment method. You'll click add funds. After clicking adding funds, you'll be redirected to your M-Pesa. You'll put the money you want to use to boost the post, and you'll then click boost post now. Then you'll be done. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for staying till this far, guys. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and bye till we meet next time on my next upload. Guys, thank you for staying till this far. Till we meet next time on my next video. On my next video, I'll be showing you guys the mistakes you should avoid as an online marketer. So guys, bye till we meet next time on my next video.